everyone, it's me Rebecca here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome to my art channel. On here, I'll be sharing with you some easy to follow tips, tricks and techniques to help you improve your own paintings. So if you're interested to find out more, go check out the rest of the videos on my channel here. So in case you missed out last week's tutorial, I showed you a step-by-step beginner-friendly painting tutorial on how to paint peonies. So this is what we did last week, and for this week we're going to do something a little different. So if you're interested to see more of such painting tutorials and content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is just down below, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials. My Instagram and Etsy, Pinterest accounts are all down below. That's where I usually post pictures of my paintings and the behind the scenes photos, so you can go check that out. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to paint loose watercolor paintings for flowers. And the flower that we're doing today is the cherry blossom or sakura flowers. So once you're done with your paintings, do remember to take pictures of your paintings and leave a link down in the comment section below so that we can all take a look at what your creations are. Okay, so let's get started on today's video. These are the materials that we'll be using for today. So first of all, we have the Van Gogh watercolor palette set. It's the 15 pen set, the one that I've been using in all my videos so far. And also don't forget your water bucket as well as your tissue paper. And for the watercolor paper, today we're going to try something different. We're going to use the watercolor postcard size paper, or you can just get any watercolor paper size and then cut out this shape. And for the brushes, we're going to use the size 0 and size 8 round tip watercolor brush by Daler Rowney. Don't worry, I'll include the links to these materials in the description box. So for today's video, we're going to do something a little different. So instead of using a drawing guide, we're just going to head straight to the paints, and we're going to paint something that's very expressive, very fluid, and we're not going to care too much about the form. Let's just express ourselves here. Okay, so we're going to use the permanent rose color. It's more of like a pinkish color, and then we're going to add some white, some Chinese white here. So this is to create a light pink that many sakura flowers have. So we're going to start with the size 8 round tip brush. You can use a smaller size brush if you have. Since we're working really small, you can use any kind of a smaller brush if you wish to. So I added some color, and then I'm using some water to dilute the paint. So as you can tell, I'm not too fixated about how exactly the form, the shape of the flower should be like. I'm just really trying to express the direction of the sakura flowers. I'm trying to use a very fluid and expressive style of painting here. So I'm painting the flowers in different directions. For some, they're kind of tilted. So we're just gonna keep everything very loose, very fluid. We don't have to, like I said, we don't have to fixate so much on the form of the petal, but just express yourself through these watercolors. And now we're going to use the size 0 round tip brush. This is to fill in the details for the flowers. So I'm going to take a bit of that permanent rose. I'm not going to add too much water because I just want a lot of that pigment here. So now we're going to use the size 0 round tip brush and we're going to fill in some color. So we're going to fill in the middle of the sakura flower and make it darker. And I'm adding some buds, some budding flowers at the side as well. And you can also use some of that red color. Here I'm using the metallic deep red just to define the buds, to define the flowers. And then I'm adding some little dots at the side. It's just to suggest that there are some smaller sakura flowers at the side. So this part is really simple. Just dot in. Just use the tip of your brush to dot in some little circles and then dilute it with a bit of water and we're done. And now I'm going to use the Sap Green. I'm going to mix it with some Burnt Umber. We're going to fill in with some leaves, some small leaves. And I'm also adding some small branches at the side. And now I'm using the tip of the brush to draw in the lines for the sakura flower. So I took some of that red color to fill in the lines for the flowers. So we're done. This is the end product. I hope you enjoyed this loose sakura flower watercolor painting. Okay guys, so we're done with today's painting. It's very fast, it's a short video and you can do as many as you like. I did 3 here. It's a panel of 3 because they're so small. It's so fast, you can just do it so quickly. So anyway, so if you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for more of such content. I'll be posting my next painting tutorial video very soon, so stay tuned for more and I'll see you guys very soon.